If you're already shopping at Amazon.com, there's a great way here for you to help support Honest News Network. Simply add this Chrome extension. We'll provide the link in the description of this video. So what you're going to do is just add this this Chrome extension to your Chrome browser. It won't work in any other browser. It's only for Chrome. And then watch this instructional video here, this short little video in the overview, and it'll show you exactly what to do. But basically, you're just going to click on this Add to Chrome, and you're going to get a little pop-up. It's going to say Add Extension. Once you add the extension, it'll be added, and now you'll see up in the top here, in the top of your browser, you're going to see how it's been added up in the corner. Let me see if I can show you up here. There's a little icon that's been added, and it's right here. And now you'll notice that the affiliate ID up here is not our affiliate ID. So what you're going to do is you go in, right click on the icon up here in the corner, and you're going to click on, I believe it's Options. Then you're going to get this little box here, and you want to take our ID for Honest News Network, which is Honest News-20, and you're going to add that to all these boxes, or excuse me, add this to any of the boxes that where your country is, the country that you're in. You're going to add that to your country. So if you're in the United States, you just add this to the Amazon.com at the top. So based on where you use Amazon, whether it's in France or wherever you use it, UK, Canada, you want to put that ID in that box. Then you're going to click Save. And once that's saved, from now on, whenever you're going to go shop at Amazon, you're just going to click on that little icon up in the corner, and it's going to take you to Amazon. But the difference is that the affiliate ID for Honest News Network will be up there in the URL. So any shopping you do on Amazon will provide a commission to support Honest News Network. So if you've been looking for a way to help support financially Honest News Network, this is a great way to do it. You're already going to be shopping at Amazon. Why not allow Amazon to help support Honest News Network through your shopping? Again, we'll leave a link for this up in the top of, in the description of this video. And we will leave comments open on this video, because if you have any questions, you can ask. So thank you again, and God bless you for your support of Honest News Network.